Look at the animal kingdom. From the strongest lion to the smartest chimpanzee, every single creature on this planet eats their food exactly as nature provides it, raw. Every creature, that is, except one, us. Humans are the only species that applies heat to food before we consume it. It seems like a simple daily chore, making toast, boiling an egg, or grilling a burger, but anthropologists believe this simple act is actually the defining moment that made us human. Welcome to Simple Things Surprising Histories. Today we're asking, why do we cook? And how did a little bit of fire change our biology forever? To understand why we cook, we have to look at energy. Imagine eating a raw potato. It's tough, starchy, and hard to chew. Your body has to work incredibly hard to break it down, and you get very little energy in return. About 1.8 million years ago, our ancestor, Homo erectus, figured out that throwing food into a fire changed everything. Famous primatologist Richard Wrangham calls cooking an external stomach. By heating food, we're essentially pre-digesting it. Heat breaks down tough fibers, gelatinizes starches, and denatures proteins before they even touch our tongues. Because the fire did the heavy lifting, our bodies didn't have to. Over thousands of years, our teeth got smaller, our jaws became weaker, and our digestive tracts shrank significantly compared to other primates. And here's the trade-off. The massive amount of energy we saved on digestion didn't just disappear. It went upstairs. It fueled the growth of a massive, calorie-hungry organ, the human brain. Quite literally, we learned to cook, and cooking taught us how to think. But cooking did more than just build our brains. It built our society. Before fire, early humans were likely solitary eaters. You found food, you ate it quickly so it wouldn't be stolen, and you moved on. Cooking changed the schedule. It takes time to gather wood, build a fire, and roast meat. This forced our ancestors to slow down. It created a specific time and place to gather, usually at night around the hearth. This was a safety zone. The fire kept predators away, and the smell of food kept the group together. In the glow of the fire, while waiting for the food to cook, we looked at each other. We bonded. We likely started telling stories. Anthropologists believe this nightly ritual laid the foundation for pair bonding, community cooperation, and complex language. Cooking didn't just feed the individual, it created the family. Of course, there is one more reason we cook, and it's the most obvious one: flavor. We are biologically hardwired to prefer cooked food. When you sear a steak or toast bread, a chemical process called the Maillard reaction occurs. It rearranges amino acids and sugars to create distinctive, savory flavors. Evolution taught us that these cooked flavors mean safe and energy-rich. We don't just cook to survive anymore. We cook because chemistry makes it delicious. So the next time you turn on the stove, remember, you aren't just making dinner. You are participating in a 2-million-year-old ritual that gave us our big brains and our close communities. If you enjoyed this slice of history, please like and subscribe to Simple Things Surprising Histories. Let us know in the comments, what's the one cooked meal you couldn't live without? See you next time.